Namaste. Hi, I'm Aman Poddar from Wesmarc Super Doors. Rigorous testing against fire and smoke as per German standards ensures that our complete system, which is door, frame, handle, hardware, and other accessories, are resistant to a fire attack of over 30 minutes. This is more than enough time for someone to make an escape from the building. Our new age profile of rebated doors ensures that there is no gap between the door and the frame. In fact, the door actually overlaps the frame. The system is also smart to prevent the leaks of smoke in the event of a fire. Our super doors have an industry-leading thickness of 45 millimeters, significantly higher than the generics, which vary from 30 to 35 millimeters. So the complete system, including engineered wood, aluminum layers, CPL veneers, high quality hardware, ensure that Wesmarc Super Doors are super strong.